You will need the SoClean CPAP adapter for the ResMed AirMini. Disconnect your CPAP hose from your ResMed AirMini. Detach the injection fitting and short hose from the main SoClean hose. You will no longer need the injection fitting and short hose. Save these parts in case you need them in the future. Included in the adapter package are 3 small rubber gaskets. Place one gasket inside the adapter. Save the remaining gaskets in case the original needs to be replaced. Attach the SoClean adapter to your CPAP hose. Connect the main SoClean hose to the stem on the adapter. You are now ready to use your SoClean. Once the sanitizing cycle is complete and you are ready to use your CPAP machine, please remove the adapter from your CPAP hose and reconnect the CPAP hose to your AirMini CPAP machine.